I just wanted you to watch me dissolve slowly in a groove of your love. But I don't even know how the chemistry works when you're.
Okay, so the first red sample won't allow you to read the word easily, because the text is flipped. The second one, the green sample, seems to allow you to see the text just like that. So how to explain this phenomenon? I put 3 ideas just below, and I'll ask you to vote for one of the 3 hypotheses. First one, the liquids are different so the light interacts in 2 different ways. The color of the liquid affects the path of the light. And the third one, there's definitely a trick. Some of you would think the matrix is busted, right? Everything here revolves around the lexical field of light refraction. So you must imperatively remember the following Snell-Descartes laws. The angle of the reflected beam is equal to the angle of the incident beam. And the formula that connects the angle of the incident ray with that of the refracted ray, n1 times sine I1 equals n2 sine I2. And the third one is the incident beam, the reflected beam, and the refracted beam all belong to one plane surface. Let's first try to prove or disprove the first idea. The liquids are different so the light interacts in 2 different ways. As the second Snell-Descartes law stated, there is an index of refraction, and it depends on the medium in which the light is going to propagate. But this implies either a slight deflection of the light or a bigger deflection. It is not able to entirely change the sense of the path, right? And we won't talk about negative refraction index here, okay? This is a secret. So I wouldn't bet on this hypothesis. The world would have been widely distorted, but it wouldn't unflip the world, right? The second one, the color of the liquid. Can we talk about colors in physics? Nah, I'd rather talk about wavelength, in nanometer. In fact, the index of refraction depends on the wavelength of the beam. A green laser won't be deflected like a red one. This is the exact phenomenon that occurs in the Newton experiment, which allowed him to separate the white light into a spectrum of different colors. So basically, yes, colors are affected differently by the medium, but the color of a medium won't affect the path that much. The third one. In fact, there is a trick. Just try to flip the word oxide upside down, and you'll see that it cannot be notified if it has been flipped. Yeah, be careful with TikTok videos. Check your facts here on my channel.